Jaspreet. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and preparing for your June 2022 exams. So I hope कि आप सबको पता है that I host free live classes daily on unacademy at 7 p.m. of company law and JIGL. अगर अभी तक आपने वो classes नहीं देखी हैं, then I would highly suggest you to join the sessions. These classes are totally free of cost. You can unlock the sessions by using my code CSJAS. So I am here to announce another two special live classes today and tomorrow, that is 13th and 14th January sharp at 7 p.m. दोनों ही classes 7 p.m. पे होंगी and दोनों ही classes हैं related to the continuation of the chapter 2, that is Constitution of India of JIGL. So JIGL का जो chapter number 2 है Constitution of India, वो ही continuation में हम पढ़ेंगे. So today, that is on 13th, we will study the articles from article 19 to article 25. That is starting from fundamental rights relating to freedom, rights against exploitation, and right relating to religion. So we will be studying all the related articles of these fundamental rights in detail. So make sure that you join the session, and we don't only study, I also make sure that I organize lots of polls during the session, that is question answer format, so that you can answer and revise alongside the preparation, and it's always a fun session. You never ever regret joining the session. You will always love it and always find it 100% educational and informative. So likewise, tomorrow we will discuss the topic of fundamental rights relating to minorities and the directive principles of state policy. We will discuss all these portions in detail, including all the other related topics as well. So make sure you join both the sessions at 7 p.m. as they're totally free of cost. Just join once and find out how informative and educational they are despite of being free, totally free. So दोनों ही classes के class links आपको नीचे description box में मिल जाएंगे. Make sure you click on them and click notify me so that you get notified before 7 p.m. and you don't miss the class. Unlock the classes by using my code CSJAS. Other than that, if you're looking for good classes for CA, CS or CMA, you can go and check unacademy. And they have also launched a new Yashas batch, which is 100% English batch for CS executive students, and a Shikhar batch as well. दोनों ही बैचेस के सब्सक्रिप्शन लिंक्स अभी नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएंगे. If you wish to enroll to any of the batch, you can click on the relevant batches and use my code CSJAS to get flat 10% discount. So looking forward to all of you joining the sessions today and tomorrow sharp at 7 p.m. Unlock the classes by using my code CSJAS. Bye.